Hey guys, welcome back to Spot channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to activate autoplay videos on Tinder for Android, and before that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the Tinder application that you have been to install it before. Tap on the Tinder. And after that you can go the symbol or the photos in the upper or the left corner, and you can go to the settings. Okay, after that you can slide away until you find about data usage. Okay, you can tap on about the data usage. It means the autoplay videos here. Tap on. Okay, there is have three options for you. The first one is on Wi-Fi and mobile data. It means the autoplay videos is not just the mobile data but on Wi-Fi too. And after that, the second one is on Wi-Fi only. So if you use the mobile data, the autoplay videos is turned off. And the third one is never autoplay videos. Okay, if you want to activate the autoplay videos, I just bought the on Wi-Fi and mobile data. It means that all of the connection that I use is make the activate the autoplay is on. Okay, it's very simple way to do it. I think it's enough to how to activate autoplay videos on Tinder for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.